arms go the opposite way your head is going, like this. But don't think about the legs, just keep doing the same movement and then start thinking about the arms. Chin up, and then you move your arms, you bend the elbows, bend, come back, bend, come back, bend. Good, like that. Yeah. Like this. So when you, the movement with with the shoulders that I was telling, it was like this. See the difference? Yeah. It looks more gracious. Yeah. Like you're going to sit on a chair or something. Yeah. See? Yeah. So, come and join me and then we dance.
No, for me, I cannot dance like this.
Why? No, that's the. Now we do our feel. So see, for the guys, they don't care about the rhythm. Yeah, see? And I can change. See? No need to. But still, I'm doing the same movement I told you. The same movement. This, I will teach you this. It is very easy. You need some classes too.
I'm shy.
Gaetan, I need to see the shoulders. Shoulders, Gaetan.
Shoulders. But for the guys, they are more like doing like
Okay.
like this, yeah. Like a more calf thing, yeah. But the girls, they are more like this.
Wow.
The guys, they don't care about the rhythm. They just make sure they do the stuff like this.
Easy when you die.
Yes! In all life, you have to be a guy.
Why is it a bit different than dancing?
Exactly.
Okay. If the guys is not, then the woman now.
But not the same movement, but they make them different. They make it more manly. So we need to do the same.
And then on the skate on your style, no?
Yes. Look at me. But the basics, the final movement I want you girls to do.
Yes.
I can concentrate right now.
Okay.
It's like this,
Yeah.
like this.
For us, relax, you can even do it.
Yeah. This is the final, like, my achievement. When
Yes.
you do like this, yeah.
Ah.
When you have your arms here, now you can go like this, come back, go like this.